ladies, so you know today is ESS Day, Erotic Sensual Seductive. I just recently saw a winner that she was on. She fell and she was doing you're gonna wash your hand, right? On your thigh. Nice and easy. Just speed it up. Just rock your arms behind. Step. Hey. Step. Hips keep going around all the time. Out. Hip going back that way. Hip going out. And shoulder is going up and down. Hey. Push it back. Up to the right. Yo, going back and front. To the right and left. And step. Hey. Let's go. We're gonna go here. Shoulder down. Hip slide to the right, to the left. Where your shoulder just. Keep your face nice and cool and relaxed. I'm gonna turn face forward with it. Just like that shoulder. You can sit in it too. Now we're gonna take our arms up. Because there's always a transition to the next step. And back. So ladies, come get this work. I'll be teaching, have my Seductive ArT workshop, doing Black History Month, Valentine's Day, February 8th, I'll let y'all know. So come check me out. Keep it sexy, keep it cute, have mad confidence in yourself.